Let's say your iPhone is stuck on iPhone locked to owner. No buttons to continue. No clear instructions. Just a requirement. Enter the Apple ID that was previously used on this device. What's important to understand here is this. This is not an error. It's not a bug from iOS 26.4.1. It's a security layer that stays active even after a full reset. In this video, we're going to break it down into 3 practical directions based on this exact situation. Before we begin, a quick note. Everything shown here is for educational purposes and should only be used on devices you legally own. Solution 1. Check saved passwords on the device. If you can still access parts of the iPhone, there's a small chance your Apple ID credentials are already saved on the device. Go to the passwords section on the home screen. Sometimes iOS stores log in details securely in the background, and if your Apple ID appears there, you may be able to recover it instantly, without going through a long recovery process. It's simple, but often overlooked. Solution 2. DNS method, temporary access. The next method is the DNS approach. During setup, when you connect to Wi-Fi, instead of just connecting normally, here you enter a DNS address based on your region. After entering the DNS, save the settings and go back. Then connect to the Wi-Fi network again and continue the setup process. This may give you access to a limited interface where you can use basic features like browsing or watching videos. But it's important to understand, this does not remove activation lock permanently. It only provides temporary access. Still, for some users, it can be useful as a short-term option. Solution 3. IBF tool. If you're looking for a more complete approach, IBF tool is designed to guide users through the process. You install it on your computer, connect your iPhone, select the correct model and iOS version, and follow the instructions. It supports iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches. The goal is to bring the device back to a clean setup state so you can move forward again. Once the process is completed, you can continue the activation of your iPhone like a new one. That is it. Welcome to the home screen. As you can see, it is on iOS 26.4.1, the last update from Apple for today. Even calls are working. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and let me know in the comments what your situation is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.